saying. It's nice and warm.
Beats the hell out of constant snow, that's for sure. Well, let's find out what's at the end of this trail. It looks like a huge mountain called Rideout. Copy that. I'm on your 6.
Well, so far so good.
Hang on, I think I'm dragging something.
Yeah, half a tree.
We got a creek up ahead. Sounds good.
These mountains around us are pretty epic.
Yeah, this place is stunning. Yeah, you can say that twice more. Just wow, look at that.
That must be Mount Rideout.
Yep, I think you're right.
Looks like we have a little further in this brush before the trail becomes narrow.
Narrow willows, maybe. And these pinstripes will be something else, I'm sure. This is definitely pretty narrow. Yeah, watch your corners.
Okay guys, I don't like this one bit. Let's take it slow here.
Copy. I can feel the end is nigh. Looks like we're rolling into some obstacles here. Oh yeah? How bad? Not too bad, just a little hinky.
Well, I don't know what hinky means, but okay.
That was a little tricky.
Wow, it just opens up.
Like a damn it does. This valley is insane. Wow, no words. Hey guys, Greg here. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next Ramble.
Hey, it's Scott. Thanks for sticking around for our Sunday drive, and we'll see you on the next adventure.
Hey guys, it's Devin. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe so you don't miss the next Ramble. Oh, and hit that like button. It helps us out huge with that pesky algorithm. Take care.